Okay, boys and girls, so in this video I'm just going to explain how to round money to the nearest pound. So one of the rules when we do any rounding is we once we go past the halfway point, we know that we're going to round up to the next 100 or the next 10. So with rounding to the nearest pound, it's the same as rounding to the nearest 100. Because if you look at the numbers here, we start from 0, which is £0, 0 pence. In the middle, we've got £0, 50 pence, and we've got 100 pence, which is £1. So anything which is past 50 pence, so 50 pence and more, you are going to round it up. So you would round it up to the nearest pound. So here's our example up here. So we've got 63 pence. So let's have a look on the number line. 63 is probably going to be about, let's have a look. I think 60 and then maybe there. So 63 pence is probably going to be about there. Okay. Now, if we were rounding, if somebody asked us to round 63 pence to the nearest pound, we could draw our number line out as we've got it on the screen, and we could use that to estimate where we think it's going to be. And as you can see clearly, 63 pence is past 50 pence, which means that it would be rounded to £1. So if somebody asked you to add up, if somebody asked you to estimate how much it would be for, let's say, 3 balls which cost 63 pence each. Okay, so just write that out. So there are 3 balls, they're 63 pence each. Estimate how much it would be. You would do 63 pence gets rounded to £1, so it would be 3 times £1, and your answer would be £3. Okay. Okay, now we've got a larger value. The value that we have is £9.21. So as you can see, I've drawn a number line. At the beginning of the number line, we have £9. In the middle, we've got £9.50. And at the end, we've got £10. Really, all we are doing is the same as what we've just done before. We're still looking at the pence. Okay, so we're not really looking at the pounds section just now. We know that this is £1 more than this because it's £9, £10. So it's increased in value by £1. And the midpoint between £9 and £10 is £9.50. So let's have a look at the value that we've got at the top of the screen. So we've got £9.21. Now remember what the rule is. Anything which is £9.50 and beyond would be rounded up to the next pound. So £9.21, where would that be on our number line? So this would be, we know it's going to be below £9.50. That's about midway, £9.25. So it's probably going to be about there. Now I can tell clearly from looking at the number line that £9.21 is less than £9.50, which means that we would round £9.21 down. So it would be, we would round £9.21 down to £9. So if somebody had, for example, asked you to estimate how much 3 bags would be, and the bags cost £9.21 each, okay, so you're doing £9.21 times 3. But when we're estimating, we would use our rounding skills, which means we would round this number either up or down to make our adding or multiplication easier to calculate in our heads. So 3 bags. So let's look at £9.21 be rounded down to £9. So 3 bags would be 3 times £9 for our estimate value. Which would be £27. So that would be our estimate answer, £27. So just remember that rounding is not always rounding up, it would be rounding down as well. If your number is below 50, then you are going to go back to the pound that is before. An even larger number again. Okay, so this time we've gone past and we're into the hundreds, almost at £100. So we are still only going up in £1 though. So as you can see here, we're at £99 and 0 pence. Add 50 pence on, £99 and 50 pence. And then the next pound on would be £100. Okay? So £99.78. So let's try and mark that on our number line. So 50, 60, 70, almost at 80. It's about there. So I can tell that £99.78 is past the halfway point, which is here, and it's closer to £100 than it is to £99. So that means that when I'm rounding £99.78 to the nearest £1, I would round £99.78 up to £100. So if you had an estimating question which asked you to estimate the value of 3 televisions that cost £99.78 each. Now you've been asked to estimate how much it would be for 3 televisions. You would use your rounding skills when you're estimating. So £99.78, look on our number line, it's closer to £100. So that means that we would estimate the value of the 3 televisions to be 3 times £100. This will give us a rough guess. Estimation, that's all estimation is. It's a guess, but it's a guess that is based on what you know about the numbers, so it's a close guess. So 3 TVs at £100 would be £300. So that would be our estimate. Okay, I hope you found this video useful for when we are doing rounding to the nearest pound with money.